So the very latest on the Rolling Hills design is probably the least visible of the entire process. And that's where we've got groups of engineers and parks designers really working on the final details of the plans. What we recently learned was on the roadway project, we're going to have some traffic calming features. We're going to have the trail crossing here at a couple of these intersections. Those parameters have changed a little bit as we've gone through the design process. The closer you get to the roadway areas, the more revisions need to happen to the plans. We're working with the Water Management District on how the drainage is going to work. We're working with fire officials to make sure that the turning radiuses are good for fire trucks, school buses, you name it. If we get that portion done this calendar year, we'll be going out to bid early next year, and we'll be under construction in 24. That's the goal. So we continue to maintain the property as if it's an open park. You might see some smaller trees that have what we call stakes. They're tethered to the ground. Those are new trees. We knew from the start that over time, we're going to consistently lose some of the aging and older vegetation around the park. And the best way to start replacing that is to do it immediately if you can. And again, it's with our crews taking a look at the master plan, making sure that we weren't putting a tree right where we were going to put a pathway, but to be able to fill in some of those gaps where trees might have been before and to come down due to age or due to the storms, at least we've given them a head start on the rest of the park. If you have any further questions, you can feel free to contact our office at any time. We'll be happy to answer them. We'll be happy to even send out somebody to your spot if that's what you have a specific question on. It's been a long road, but we're really looking forward to breaking ground out here on the Rolling Hills construction side of things, hopefully in the near future for everyone.